In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use jittering in Tableau. Jittering can add a bit more clarity to your visualization by preventing data overlap, particularly when dealing with a multitude of similar data points. This technique helps you see the broader pattern more distinctly without altering the data's integrity. To start this process, go ahead and open up the Tableau public app. Once you're in, navigate to your existing worksheet. If you don't have one open, create or open a worksheet where you can begin applying these steps. Now we're going to structure our data. Drag the category field over to the columns area. What this does is it lays out our data categories horizontally across the top. Following this, grab the sales field and drag it onto the row section. This will plot your sales data along the y-axis. To make our categories visually distinct, drag category onto the color option. This gives each category a distinct visual color, making it easier for us to differentiate between them as we proceed. Following that, take your subcategory field and drag it to the details area. This step ensures that each subcategory is displayed as a separate dot, detailing the intricate breakdown of data points. Next, we want to make our data points pop. To achieve this, change the marks type to circle. What this does is transform our data representation into circles on the scatter plot, which are visually easier to identify and enhance clarity. Now, let's create a calculated field. Click on Analysis up in the menu and then Create Calculated Field. Name your calculated field Random and simply type in the expression Random in the dialog box. This creates a field with random values, which is essential for the jittering effect. Click OK when you're done. Drag your newly created random field to the columns area. This action initially adds some randomness to your data's horizontal placement. However, to reinforce this, ensure that you change it to dimensions by right-clicking and altering its type from measure to dimension. We're nearly there. Right-click on your worksheet and select Format. Under the Lines section, remove any grid and zero lines. These lines can clutter your visualization, so removing them gives your plot a cleaner look. Lastly, as a final touch, right-click on your x-axis and deselect Show Header. This action removes redundant labeling, refining and decluttering your chart further. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully implemented jittering in Tableau, which dramatically enhances the readability of dense data. This method is especially beneficial for large data sets that might otherwise be hard to interpret due to overlapping points. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights and tutorials.